Okay, boys and girls, this lesson is where you're actually going to draw your own self-portrait, and I'm going to give you all a little mirror each so that you can look at your facial features. And don't worry about how you're going to draw your head, because I've actually got a tracer for you. So what we're going to do, piece of white paper, make sure your name's on the back, even though we will be able to identify you because you're doing your own self-portrait. Self-portrait is a picture of you, okay? You are drawing yourself. Now I'm going to trace around this. Now remember the rule of thumb, make it light till you get it right. So when you start drawing your portrait, don't press too heavy in case you make a mistake. Okay, so there's my outline. I'm going to just set that to the side, don't need that anymore. Now when you draw a face, everybody's features are all in the same position, and what I mean is your eyes are actually halfway down where your head is. Some people think that they're higher up. So how I'm going to do this, first I'm going to draw my chin. Okay? I think what I'll do, boys and girls, is actually make mine darker so that you can see it, and I'll use a marker so that you can see it for clear. But you guys are going to use your pencil first, and then you're going to use markers and coloured pencils for the skin tones. Okay, so I'm going to do my chin. Bring it round, and then there's my shoulders. Now the first thing, my eyes. I'm going to make them that they're oval. Okay, so you can see that it's just where the tops of my ears are, and I'm going to do an arc and an arc. And I'm going to do another upside down arc. Okay, now inside I'm going to do two circles, or two semicircles, like half a circle, half a circle. Alright, and then I'm going to do my eyebrows. My mouth is halfway down again, so I'm going to do like that, okay? I'm smiling. And then I need my nose. I'm just going to do two arcs there and a little shape like that, okay? Now I'm going to do my hair. Now I haven't got a mirror, so I'm not actually doing a self-portrait, even though I should be, but I'm going to do my hair, okay? Now remember that you're doing yours in pencil first to get your features correct, and then you can use the markers and the coloured pencils. So if I wanted to get my skin tones, I'd be using the coloured pencils to add in a lighter. I don't want it to be very heavy using markers, so I'd be colouring in my skin tones with the light coloured pencils. Okay, but as for the eyes, then I'll be adding in, you know, my pupils. Okay, my eyelashes. Okay, I'd add in some details in my ears. Alright, and then I'll just keep going until I have everything completely in place. So if I wanted to, just make my hair go darker. Okay, bring it coming down if I've got long hair. But remember, you're going to be doing it lightly in pencil, then doing your in markers. And then when you've got it all done, what I'd like you to do is actually to cut your portrait out. Okay? Make sure your name is on the back of your portrait, because this is part one of a two-part lesson, and this is going to go with another project that we're going to do next. Okay, so now remember, when you're doing your portrait, your eyes are in the center, your mouth is halfway down again, and you're going to be looking at the mirror to get as much detail as possible. Remember, you're not the Mona Lisa. Don't forget the eyebrows. Okay, now boys and girls, it's your turn. Let's go make some art.